Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Not sure when this video is going to go up, but if you're self-quarantined, hope you're doing well. As of right now, we've got 5 confirmed cases in West Virginia, one county over. So by the time this goes up, it's probably going to start getting pretty crazy here. This is an Amazon Basics Lightning to USB-C cable that is MFI certified. I purchased this because and it's not right here, but my brand new Aki Omni cable that I reviewed like 2 months ago that I pre-ordered from their new line with the braided ballistic nylon, the big chunky rubber ends that I keep in my Jeep with my Omni Power car charger. It stopped working. So I will soon be contacting Aki to go through their process there. But in the meantime, I needed something for the Jeep that wasn't an Apple cable that wasn't going to die on me. So for $11.99, I grabbed this guy. And it comes in red. So here is our Amazon Basics cable. This is a 3-foot cable. This was $11.99. They do come in a 1-foot, 3-foot, and 6-foot option. I'm not sure where I got 9 from. And it also comes in 3 different colorways: red, black, and white. Nothing else in the box but our cable here. And at first, before I bought it, I was kind of bummed because this is not a woven nylon coated cable. This is just that plasticky, rubbery kind of material that most cables come out of the box in with the phone or your whatever device you get. They do say this is a durable construction to hold up against bending and everyday use. 4,000 bend lifespan on it, and up to 100 pounds of pressure. Not too shabby for $11.99. They also boast about the textured connectors for improved grip. Textured. So it's really not too bad for $11.99. Again, I do wish it had the woven nylon on it. I do think that should be a standard on all cables these days. So of course, to make this fast charge with your iPhone 8 or up, I'm not going to name them all, the 8 and newer all fast charge with one of these cables. The 11 Pro Max actually comes with an Apple version of this cable, and it is the only, actually the Pro does too, I believe. The 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max both come with this. But to fast charge your phones or your earlier version iPad Pros, you need an MFI certified USB-C to Lightning cable, such as the one we're looking at now, and at least an 18-watt USB-C power brick with power delivery. That's a big factor. And boom. In most cases, maybe not the 11 Pro Max or the XS Max, but you're going to get 50% battery life and 30 minutes of charge if your phone is completely dead. And you can check other videos I've done on these bricks. I test them all. I've got another one coming up soon. I kill my phone and go from 0 in 30 minutes to see where it gets me. Or a power bank with power delivery, a minimum of 18 watts, and also USB-C out. That's how you fast charge your Apple devices. Pretty much same thing with Android devices. Of course, you'd be using a USB-C to USB-C cable, but USB to Lightning, USB to USB-C, you're not going to get a fast charge out of it, no matter what the manufacturer says. It's not going to happen. This bad boy also will do, and again, Amazon Basics, 480 megabits per second on data transfer, which is pretty great. Now again, this is a 1-foot, 3-foot, or 6-foot cable in red, black, or black, or white. And price range goes from $11.49 to $13.99. It's really not bad. So this is going to be my go-to cable in my Jeep going to and from work or wherever else this pandemic takes me to power my iPhone. So, with that being said, if you got any value out of this video or you just simply dug it, go ahead and hit that like button, share, subscribe. Totally appreciate it. Dislike it if you want to dislike it. Stay safe. Pandemic. No COVID-19. I'll see you in the next video. Got a lot of time on my hands to make videos. I'm not used to that.